What if I told you a simple board of pictures can help you manifest your dream life? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a vision board that works using the power of visualization and the law of attraction. Whether you're manifesting a new home, better health, or more abundance, this one's for you. Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video on my channel Color-Aaza Learn Design Manifest, where we talk about interior design, manifestation and a lot more. Now today's video is all about manifestation because I'm going to teach you how you're going to make a vision board. I've been making vision boards since I was 19 or 20 years old, and it's been more than 15 years that I've been making these boards, and I'm actually achieving 70% or more of the things that I put on my vision board. So today's video is really exciting, how you can make this a part of your home or office and how visualization and law of attraction really works. So let's quickly get into the video. Before we begin, here's an introduction to what exactly law of attraction is. So law of attraction basically says that like attracts like. And you can visualize anything that you want in your life. You can manifest this. So if you believe in it or not, you are anyways manifesting who you are. You don't manifest what you want, you manifest who you are. So there's a lot of self-discovery involved in this journey. You need to meditate. There are so many visualization techniques. Basically, you need to be positive, think positive, use affirmations, and just believe that this is possible for me. For the universe, for you to attract say 5 rupees or 5 lakh rupees or 5 crore rupees is the same. It's you who has to believe that I deserve this and I'm worthy of that money. So whether it comes to your health, whether it's a particular job you're trying to attract, love in your life, anything of that sorts, law of attraction works really well. So I have attracted some of the biggest things in my life. I'm a big manifester since the last 15 years. My dream home in which I'm taking this video, my dream car, so many physical things and also emotional things, experiences, travel, my Instagram journey, being a blogger, number of followers. So whatever you can think of, you can attract. So vision board is something which is an extremely essential part of the visualization journey, and we are going to discuss how you can make that in today's video. Visualization basically helps you program your subconscious mind, shift your energy and keep your focus on the things that truly matter. So what happens is, so there's a red car rule which is also a part of my 30-day manifestation challenge program, the link for which I'm going to leave in the description below. If you visualize a red car and you're thinking of a red car and you close your eyes and then you forget about it in the day, and you will notice that you start seeing a lot of red cars. Now this is scientifically proven. It's not that red cars didn't exist before. It's just that when you are visualizing something, you tend to notice it a lot more. So anything that you desire in your life right now, from money, love, finances, anything, it already exists in the universe. It just needs to come to your notice and it will come to you, and that's how you attract. So what is a vision board? A vision board is a collage of images, quotes and symbols that represent your goals and desires. It's a visual reminder of the life you want to manifest, your future made visible. It can be a physical poster or a digital Pinterest, Notion or a Canva board or any sort of screensaver, or you can put it on your phone as well. Now the key is clarity, emotion and repetition. So the steps to create your vision board. Firstly, you need to be clear on what you want. Now how do you know what you want? There's a feeling inside us which sparks joy when we look at other people, say, experiencing a certain experience, or you look at a reel and you feel, I really want to experience this or go to this place. So you start noting that down. When you note that down, when you write your goals, you are more clear on what you want. And it's okay, your goals can change. You can keep removing and adding things on your vision board. But the point is to have clarity on what you really want. Now I have made a chart for you which has all the categories which will help you think, because most of the times we are on default setting and we don't even think what we want. So this chart that you see on the screen right now, I have broken it up into different categories from health, home, career, relationships, travel, personal growth and more. So you can sit down and write down your goals in each area. Now your goals could be quarterly, monthly or yearly. I like to make a yearly vision board, but first I need to have clarity on what I really want. I need to be as specific as possible. So instead of writing a generic thing, I want a big house, be very, very specific. I want this sized house, this colored walls, That's how I'm going to design it. So when I was visualizing my dream home in which I'm living right now, I actually made a list of all the things that I wanted in the apartment, how I'm going to design it, how many rooms I want, what are the colors I'm going to be using, because then it feels more real rather than visualizing something generic. And the pictures that you use in support of that should be as detailed as possible, because you need to visualize it with as much detail as possible. Step number 2 is that you gather some visuals. Now you could use Pinterest, Canva, old magazines, online printables, or you could also generate certain images using ChatGPT. Like I really wanted a 2M balloon in gold color, so I gave that prompt to ChatGPT and it created this image for me. And also, if there is something very specific which you feel you can't find a picture of, you can take the help of ChatGPT to create those visuals. Choose images that spark emotion or feel right. If an image makes your heart flutter a little, that's the one. So you cut these images, collect them, put them together, arrange them, and just make sure that you select images. It could be an image of your own family if you want more of that. If I want more family time, what's the best way to visualize that? With my old photos. If I want to go to a slimmer version of myself, I'm going to put a picture of me which was slimmer. Or if I want to attract more family vacations, I can use pictures of my previous family vacations as well. Step number 3 is to design and arrange. So for your physical boards, you could use a cork board or a pin board or a poster on which you can use magnets to put your images or just stick them over. I am using a cork board right here, and I'm just arranging all the pictures that I've collected and got printed together in any pattern that you like. You can be creative. I've written the Vision Board 2025 in my kiddish writing, but I just wanted that personalization, and that's how I'm going to put it on my vision board that you see right here. You want your board to feel like your dream life already exists. Step number 4 is to add affirmations or power words. So I have written some affirmations on my vision board which says, I'm in the best of my health, I am a money magnet, opportunities flow to me. You could search for these affirmations on ChatGPT or Google, or you could just write your own words which feel really powerful to you. You can fill your vision board with those. Now, step number 5 is to place your vision board where you can see it every day, but also not in a place that you're obsessing over it, because the whole point of visualization is that you look at something and then you release it in the air like balloons and you don't obsess over how it's going to happen. So I have placed this vision board along with my whiteboard on which I write my monthly goals, which is in my studio room. You could place it in front of your bed where you see it every day, but you're not spending the entire day in the bedroom. You could place it somewhere else. You could hide it away. You could make a digital board for the same, but the whole point is that you are able to look at it and feel good. So this is my vision board for 2025. If I can take you through these pictures, now I'm going to describe some of them to you. Like, I really want the gold button on YouTube, so I've put a picture of that. I really want to travel business class, so I've actually put a picture of that. I want to do a TED talk and I want to talk to a room full of people because I am a speaker and I really want to enhance that part of my career. Here you can see a female who's talking to a room full of people, so that's on my vision board. Some travel pictures, some wellness pictures. I love massages. My ideal weight is just here on the weighing scale. Then I've already put pictures of me and my husband happy in our home because that is something that I want even more in my life. And then of course spending more family time. I'm writing a book, so I have actually put a picture here. You can actually also create these images on ChatGPT like I told you before. So these are ChatGPT created images. I want 2 million followers on Instagram, so I've put the 2M balloon because when that happens, I did the same for the 1 million and I want to do it again for the 2 million with 2 big balloons. Then of course some travel destinations. I really want some sort of real estate investment in an international country, so I've put Dubai here. I want a beach vacation. I want to design a home in the mountains. So anything and everything that you can visualize, you can put it on your vision board and just see it every day and think of those things. Close your eyes, visualize, and just feel how you would feel if you've already achieved them. So your vision board isn't a craft project. It's a reflection of your inner world. You attract what you are and who you are, and by putting pictures out there, you can actually visualize it every day. So dream big, because honestly there is more than enough for everybody. It's just that we don't feel that we can attract this and we question ourselves. But if you believe you can attract anything which is on your vision board, you are gonna do that. I also have a 30-day manifestation challenge course, which is a pre-recorded course, and there are 30 tips with challenges which you can do every day. You can start that program anytime. You can look at all those videos together. It has a lifetime access, or you can refer back to the videos that you need at that particular day, from making gratitude jars, vision boards, visualization. It's a very structured program, and it has everything that I know about manifestation. So if you're interested in that program, I'm going to leave the link of that in the description box below. All the links of the products that I've used in this video are also linked below. Like, share and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in the next video.